Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I am going to show you 3 different recipes of using ridge gourd. So I purchased this ridge gourd from the vegetable shop in Burnside Shopping Center. So I am going to cook 3 different recipes. One is ridge gourd rice, ridge gourd egg curry, ridge gourd peelings, chutney. So we are going to do 3 different recipes.
So it's a special video.
Yes. If you are watching my video for the first time or if you are not subscribed to Nageshwari's Kitchen, please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen and press the notification bell, then you will get notified whenever I post my videos. Let's go into the video. Take the ridge gourd, trim these 2 edges. Peel the skin and don't throw it. We are going to make chutney out of these peelings. I want to tell you about this bangle. This bangle is handmade by my sister-in-law Satya. It was so beautiful. She made it for me. When I went to India, she gave this to me. I hope you all liked it. If you liked it, please comment below. It's all ready now. So I'm going to split this. So 3 for my egg curry and 3 for the rice. Okay. And my peelings are here. I'm going to use this to make the chutney. Take a blender.
Cut.
Just add roughly chopped ridge gourd. Taken around 10 green chilies. You can adjust it according to your taste. And this is a spicy we are going to add. We are not going to add any chili powder here. To this, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 garlic pods. Grind this into a fine paste. Don't add any water. Okay. So this is a water vegetable, so you don't need any water. The water from this vegetable, it's more than enough to grind this. So let's grind this first. So to this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. To this 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanuts, roast the peanuts in a medium flame, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Instead of making all the time lemon rice, tamarind rice, curd rice, try with these vegetables. It's healthy and kids will love it. 2 dried red chilies and some curry leaves. All the lentils and the peanuts are roasted very nicely. It should be in golden color. Do not burn it. The ground paste is ready. Add into this. Add the ground paste. Keep the flame on medium. Cook the paste till the raw smell disappears, and the ridge gourd has to cook as well. Add some salt. Ridge gourd will cook really fast. So in half an hour you can prepare all these 3 dishes. Instead of preparing just one, you can prepare these 3 at a time, and then your family will love it. You need to cook still more. Just to record, I'm preparing one by one. Otherwise, you can just keep all three in different stove and then prepare it at the same time. It cooked perfectly. So this is the perfect consistency. Turn off the flame. I have transferred this into a bowl so that it is easy to mix with the rice. To this, add half a lemon juice. The rice masala is ready. The rich curd masala is ready. Now we are going to mix with the rice. It's cooled down. So you can use any rice, basmati or Sona Masuri rice. Add some rice. Mix this together. Add rice accordingly. Mix first. If you think you need more, you can add more. This is around 1 cup of rice. I need a little bit more. I'm going to add another half a cup.
What are you making?
Rich gourd rice.
What gourd rice?
Rich gourd rice.
Rich gourd rice.
Rich, R-I-D-G-E. Rich.
Rich.
Yeah.
Rich.
It's a healthy vegetable. This vegetable contains a lot of water. It's good for if you're in diet. If you want to lose weight, you can add this vegetable regularly. Not with the rice. As I said, you can have this with the chapati, or if you're following paleo or keto diet, you can just cook this vegetable and add in your meal regularly. You will definitely lose weight. Ready? Let's check the taste, the salt and everything. Well, it's a bit spicy.
A bit too spicy.
It tastes so good.
My nose is so sweaty. My mouth is so hot. It's so good. It's so spicy.
Super and delicious rich gourd rice is ready. Please try this recipe at home. You will definitely love it. It's so tasty. I can't stop eating.
And too spicy.
Now let's prepare egg curry with rich gourd. Take a pan. I've taken the same pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 big onion, finely chopped. Add some salt. Add some curry leaves. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix all these together. To this, add 1 small size tomato, finely chopped. Add rich gourd as well. Mix these together.
Wow, it looks so good. It looks like potato.
Potato.
Yes, I like the potato and masala. But with green color.
Yes. Add some water. So this is based on how much gravy you want. So you can add accordingly. I'm adding half a cup of water. cover this and cook for 5 minutes. We'll cook really fast. It's a water vegetable. It cooks really fast. Today I'm cooking with eggs. So I boiled these eggs. You can do the same recipe with prawn, fish, even with dry fish. It goes really well. Try that also. For vegetarian, if you are vegetarian, just have as it is. Seafood goes really well with Ridge Guard. Try this at home. Let's check the curry. Look at the consistency. It looks so good. It's perfectly cooked. Now let's time to add eggs. So before you add the eggs, just do some slits. So the masala will go inside the eggs.
Anna, the first bread is ready.
Mix the eggs together and then cook for 3 more minutes. Then you can turn off the flame. Ridge Guard egg curry is ready. Finish it off with some fresh coriander leaves. Turn off the flame. Transfer this into a serving bowl. Now we are going to do chutney. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, add 5 cloves of garlic, six dried red chilies. You can adjust it according to your spicy level. To this, add the peelings of Ridge Guard. Ridge Guard peelings contains lots of fiber, so it's very good for health. Small lemon size of tamarind, add some salt, mix well, cook for 5 minutes, not more than that, and then turn off the flame. Do not add water, just cook with this oil on a medium flame for 5 minutes. So this is the consistency. It's cooked perfectly. Do not overcook. Just cook for 5 minutes, not more than that. So this is done, and then let it cool down completely. Meanwhile, we will do the tempering for this chutney. Take a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Just add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of chana dal, half a teaspoon of urad dal, one red chili. Just break it into pieces. So this is done. When you see the chana dal and urad dal the lentils are roasted well, so that means this is done. Turn off the flame. I'm going to grind this, then we will add it into the chutney. Add some water and then grind it into a fine paste. The chutney is ready.
Can I taste?
No, we have transferred the tempering. You can skip this tempering as well. It tastes good without the tempering also. Check the salt consistency, and then it's ready to serve.
Can I taste a bit?
Yes.
Yay! Tastes so good.
You can have this for your sandwich as well.
And it's not spicy at all.
Yeah.
Rice. We got chutney.
The chutney.
And we got egg masala. Curry.
Curry or masala. It looks so good.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
So I prepared 3 different recipes
In
using
one
Ridge Guard.
video.
In one video.
3 in 1 special.
Yes. So 3 in 1 special. But we can do a lot with this vegetable. It's a healthy vegetable. I will add more videos of using Rich Guard. It's a really healthy vegetable full of fiber, lots of vitamins. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you in another video. Bye.